Yeah, before we finally call it a wrap for the select CSS selector, let's look at the last selector, which is the pseudo element. Pseudo elements, let's just put it here, which is the last commonly used one. Of course, we definitely might have other ones, but the most popularly used ones. So it's just almost the same with the pseudo element, but this one is that let's select it with the class name dot. I believe you are familiar with this now. So let's say I want to select the first line of this paragraph. So I just do a double column instead of one column. So let's say I just say first line. Okay, we can also have the first letter. So let's say I want to make the first line to be maybe color blue. Then I will select using the pseudo element. So if I save it, I can see that the first line has its color as color blue. So pseudo element. So just like you can select first line, you can select the first letter. And if you want to get to know more about what you can do, so let me just copy this paragraph one, selecting it as a class, put a double column, and you can see you can select the after, backdrop, before, content, cure, marker, parts, but you can select the placeholder if it's input element, and can just check to see what is possible. But you can also select the first letter. Maybe you want to put some content before it, like you can just put it before. Like maybe you want to put the content, and you can just say the content that you want to put before the element is, maybe you want to label it as paragraph one, for example. Paragraph one, and if you save it, you can see that you have paragraph one in front of it. So that's about that. So you can also even put content after, even with just the power of CSS. You can put content after, and you can just say after, and just say maybe pay to read more, pay to read more, or to continue reading. Maybe it's a paid article. So you can just, at the end of the story, you can just say pay to continue reading. And if you save it, you can see that at the end of the paragraph, it adds the content pay to continue. So all these are possible, all these are many more are possible using the power of pseudo classes. Using the power of pseudo classes, and that is the summary, or that is the major selector that is being used in CSS, universal element, and so on and so forth. So in case you see all these elements, maybe you see greater than, you see plus, and you see space in a particular CSS code, you should know, or you see a comma, you should know what they are doing by now. Thank you.